Strap up music.
Strap up music.
Yo, girl, what up? Get a notepad.
For what?
You ain't got no swag, and you so fine, it's so sad. Still ride a coach, need a coach bag. Let me coach you, no coach tags.
What that mean?
Get rid of that coach bag, and listen, I ain't tryna throw jabs.
You can.
Why you getting so mad? Only one that deal with Kim is a queen. Louis handbags, Alexander McQueen. Yeah, stand up a mean, but how I handle my team? Clean, hogging lookers don't wear sandals with jeans. Car scale gun, I can handle the beam. Nickel dime 20s, I can handle the fiend. So, hey Muma, K Pasa, I'm water baby. Agua.
I'm saying, can I come over? 'Cause I'm not playing, bring your ass over. I'm not waiting, doubt if I sober. I'm blazing. Hey, hold up, let the slide spit. Need these first 3 rows, let my slime sit. I said all, make it hard to see the time tick. Me and my dime chick, some glasses of wine lit. Hit, your money can't provide this. I miss your answers, yes, your highness. Try this, only I can supply this. Reply this, you always see me, you fly. Hish, hish, if I don't know you, I hope not to. Tryna play a tough role, I'm like not you. Earl Boykins, I'm D-Rose, I got you. Under the sun is where we pose, we hot dupe. Is what I did to the booth. How I spend in the coupe, but you remember salute. I'ma keep it trail, I'm not looking, living the proof. Telling me to chill, it's like stopping Kimber to shoot. I'm saying, can I come over? 'Cause I'm not playing, bring your ass over. I'm not waiting, doubt if I sober. I'm blazing. I'm saying, can I come over? 'Cause I'm not playing, bring your ass over. I'm not waiting, doubt if I sober. I'm blazing.
In the hood where I creep, tryna hook me a freak. Wanna see what girl around here could put me to sleep. Could mean a hotel, could mean a suite. Could mean tuition, could mean a Jeep. But damn those bougie say women can't jump out of Lambos, car neck can froze. Damn yo, cameras stand pose. Transport, watch her pour
She go
candles.
down, I'm trying to get the top. Me, Lee, Britton, Jock. How to hit the block? E-Weed, Piffin Rock. Before the DTs get the watch, then they begin to watch all day switching spots. I'm in